Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be speaking about Velvet Oud, and thank you very much for being here together with me. So Velvet Oud is a dupe for Tom Ford Tuscan leather. To be honest, when I bought it and I smelled it, I felt it's gonna be very strong perfume, but it turned out actually, like especially today, that it's possible to like it if you actually spray it very little. I sprayed 3 sprays today, and to be honest, I was able to enjoy it. It took some time for me to adjust to this perfume, but actually it's really possible if you do try. So this perfume is Velvet Oud by LATTAFA. It's one of those harder perfumes to like because it has basically the notes. It has oud, it has incense, leather, musk, amber, cinnamon. So the major thing there must be leather and oud. It's not a fresh perfume. It's slightly leaning towards masculine and not very safe blind by dew. So when I was wearing this perfume, guys, I will kind of spray it on myself right now after taking from this box. I already sprayed it, I sprayed it already today, this perfume, but let me just spray it again. So I was able to enjoy it, I was able to enjoy this particular perfume with spraying very little. It's quite a windy day out there today, guys, so not very easy. So the bottle looks vintage. For that reason, perhaps it attracts many people's attention, the shape of the bottle. Like if you are an adventurous person, give it a go. You might really like this perfume, but if you are not adventurous, maybe stay away from it. I really learned to like it slowly. It took for me 2 months, to like this perfume. It actually has this type of mysterious scent. It feels manly. There is a lot of leather. That's what you feel, like a leather type of, leather, strong leather perfume. So I will be using this perfume on those days when I want to spray something completely different, and on the days when I want to, let's say, smell fabulous, I perhaps will use other perfumes. So I really enjoy this perfume, and I hope you will enjoy too. If you will stay away from this perfume, perhaps you will experience some other nicer perfumes than this, and perhaps more, easy to like. But it's not a bad perfume. It's a good perfume. It's a dupe to Tom Ford Tuscan leather, guys. I will see you soon. Have a great day, everyone, and bye-bye.